Listen and write the letters.
Number 1.
A Z
Number 2.
N Y
Number 3.
C O
Number 4.
T X
Number 5.
W A
Now pause the video, check your answers. Well done. The girl is a student of English. Listen to her Skype interview with Mark, a teacher at a language school.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, fine. I can hear you.
Oh, good. I'm Mark from English House Language School.
Hi, Mark.
Okay, can I check your details first?
Yes, of course.
What's your first name?
Michaela.
How do you spell it?
Micaela.
Micaela. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
And what's your surname?
Vasquez.
Vasquez. Is that V-A-S?
No, it's Vazquez.
V-A-Z-Q-U-E-Z. Okay. And how old are you?
Now, write her full name in the comments.
How do you spell it?
Tap.
T-A-P.
Tap.
Correct.
How do you spell it?
Wave. Wave.
How do you spell it?
Door. Door.
How do you spell it?
Ice. Ice.
Guess which American states the letters stand for.
Number 1.
Arizona.
Number 2.
New York.
Number 3.
Colorado.
Number 4.
Texas.
Number 5.
Washington. Look at this business card. This is the first name.
A-N-T-O-N-Y.
This is the last name.
H-O-W-A-R-D.
Hi, it's Michael. Do you want to know how we spell it? Alright, it's with a M. I C H A E L. Now it's your turn. How do you spell your name? Great. And your surname, how do you spell it? Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed my content, please give me a like and share with your friends this video class. See you the next time.